Hey, this is my PhD Pro Shop package that came into the mail. I ordered my magnetic marketing tool. Actually ordered a sticker. Okay, this is my magnetic marketing tools that I ordered from our Pro Shop. I actually have some stickers in here, and I have a t-shirt, and I have some cards, and a couple other little cool things. Let's take a look what's inside. Okay, got a shirt, my fancy little QR code on the front there. And on the back, there we go. Just wear and earn. Your ultimate side hustle partner, Sparky AI. It's my QR code and my web address. That's pretty cool. Let's see what else we got inside this box. Hey, I got a QR code sticker. This is going to go on my big sticker that I'm going to put on my vehicle, as well as instructions on how to do it. And so we'll be going over that in the second part of this quick little video, this reveal video. Okay, so we'll put this aside. See what else we got. Right here, I was able to get some cards. Some cards here. That's it. Automate, duplicate, succeed. It's got my number. It's got my name. It's got my web address. It's got my QR code. And on the back, it has a phone number. But this phone number doesn't call me because I don't want to answer the phone. I have other things to do besides explaining and selling and doing all that stuff. This calls good old Sparky AI, and he does all of the explaining for me. And then they click on the QR code and they go to my funnel link, and voila, they get signed up. Very cool. So I got a bunch of these cards, about 50 of them in this box. It's about 30 bucks. Very cool. I'll be using these. See what else we got in this box. All right, now for the big one, my big magnetic marketing sticker that's going to go on the back of my vehicle. Be putting this on my BMW today, a little bit later today, and we'll go over that. Okay, so it's inside this tube. Just want to pull it right out. Again, it's got some instructions inside here on how to adhere it to the car. So very simple instructions, goes right over exactly how to put it on your car. We'll be going over that again a little bit later. This is it, guys. Let's take a look. That is one cool sticker right there, and that goes right across my back window. Okay, so there it is. You can, as you can see in, but on that from the inside of the car, and you're looking out, you can see right through all these perforated holes. But then when people look at it from the outside, they can see exactly this graphic. Very high resolution, very nice, big, bright colors. And of course, this sticker will go right on top of here. So then that QR code will scan. And then that way, if you have other QR codes that maybe new promotions that we offer, new funnels that we offer, you can just order just the QR code, which is like $3, I think, and then just paste it and then put it right over. So that's it, folks. Here's the car sticker. We're going to go put this on my BMW now. Awesome. And then it's time to drive and earn.